On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Otter gang. Army Piper in the chat. Wow. Starting it off with a bang already. 20 gifted memberships. Welcome to all the people who show up early or on time. Either way. Army Piper coming through, rewarding your punctuality. My man hit 7,000 subscribers yesterday on the Piper Academy. If you're not following them, I don't know what you're doing. They are family. Thank you so much for being here, gifting the memberships. What a way to start off the morning. It is a beautiful day. Bitcoin is dumping. Everybody was so happy yesterday. We got a rug and then a pump. Now we woke up to a rug. That's crypto, baby. That's crypto, baby. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. I realized I wasn't reading my Buddha book. The Buddha book. My wife got me this, right? And she suggested I read this so I could be more in touch with my spirituality here. So 13th of February, loving kindness is the thought of wishing total happiness for others and putting that wish into practice. So I wish you all loving kindness. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on? Look at all these lurkers. First, I don't know if they're lurkers, but they're here early. So they're like early lurkers. It's like being a bit better than just a lurker. You're an early lurker. So good to see you, Jason, Crypto High, WW, Holden, Lurker, Lucian, Lurker, Leo. What's going on, Aki? Good morning, Lazarus Bell. Good morning to you. I love all the lurkers. Richard Price, Ashley. What's going on? Username. Damn, he got it. That Red Wings fan he got a dang membership. Now he's got to throw otters in the chat. What's going on, username? Good to see you. All the people in the chat. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with us here. Al Jr., Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Jesse Gluck. What's going on? Good morning to you guys. Alexandra G, the mod queen. Let's see some mod queen emojis in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Forget about it. Hot Old Crypto. What's going on? Donato Cabrera. What's going on? Good to see you as well. Crypto Birdie. Bitcoin rolling over right now. Potential long setup here. We got a big scam wick down below here. So I don't know. If this bounces, we could get long right here. Considering it, okay? We're considering the long right now. But a little head and shoulders here rolling over. don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what we get. It's early. It's early. You don't want to be jumping in just yet. But if we sweep and bounce, I'm getting long. Back up to VWAP. Okay? If we sweep and bounce right now, I'm getting long. I'm just letting you guys know. We got bull divs in here. We got money coming back in. Okay? You can see we clearly bear dived throughout here. Up into our key resistance, rolling over. And bullish divergence. Now we got an order block below us, so we'll see how it goes. But right now, if we bounce, I will be looking to fire off along. Just so you're aware. Okay, just so you're aware. Okay? Let's say good morning to everybody here. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. How are we doing? Maybe we take an early trade today. I mean, easy risk management. VWAP's above us. Bull div. Might jump in here. Might take a wee little stab. We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you so much, Army Piper. And if one of the mods could share Piper Academy, the beautiful Piper Academy, helping people. Knowledge is profit, baby. Knowledge is profit. Hey, Rashad, good to see you, man. Jesse, Blair Stevenson, good morning to you. Zeno with the pink hand, always coming through. Good to see you as well. Alex O membership canceled on 02/13/2025. Oh, no. What are we going to do? Mo2, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Sean Beringer, good morning to you. And MBF Forum, good morning to you as well. Jesse, good luck. It's 2 p.m. here. Let's go. So you must be in Europa, I would guess. Who knows, though? Who knows? D.I. gang, lame. D.I. I don't need your shit. Good morning to you, D.I. Goodbye to you, D.I. You're watching me, right? Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here, D.I. Hopefully you get a D in your eye. We'll see how this goes. Good morning, everybody. Never anything nice to say. This community is built on kindness, and you're being a douche canoe. So you can sit out, man. Thank you for being here. Anyways, I see you pressing that like button in the background there, DI. Jay Violet, good morning to you. French Toaster, Miles, Trump Power. Good morning to you. JR, good morning. Good to see you as well. Good morning, my Canadian brother. That's the one. Army Piper, gang. Let's go. $1 gang. That's the one, man. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. Good afternoon, Glory Wolf. Much love to you. Captain Pancakes, Jay Violet. Darren does things. What's going on, my man? Maybe I was a little bit harsh telling him to put a D in his eye. Ooh-wee. Some of you people in your portfolios. Goldie Crypto. Ondo Crypto. Good to see you as well. 4 a.m. on this every day. Showing up, man. That's showing up for you and showing up for me, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Good morning. Grandmaster Ape. The Duckin. Brave Dave. I like that. Brave Dave. You must be brave. Good morning to you, French Toaster. Joan, good morning. How's it going? Goldie Crypto, good to see you as well. CGBs, 42 million of liquidity at 95,000. We going down. 42 million at 95,000. So a lot of people were long in this section in here. We got a big order block down in here. We'll see if we get there. I look for a little bounce here. A little bounce first. Might take a stab. Might take a little stab here if we bounce. I'm not suggesting this is going to the moon. I'm just thinking, you know, we come for this little stop up here or VWAP in here. We can push this to the upside here. We'll see how that goes. Ernie, good morning to you. Good morning. Why no zero option? I guess you got to click 1, Geo. Good morning, man. How's it going, brother? I heard you're going to go live this week. When are you going live, bro? We got to go to the Leafs game. You're back from holiday. I meant to message you yesterday. I'm gonna text you right now. I'm gonna message Gio and say, "Hey Gio." Say, "Hey Gio. Hey Gio. Good morning, you sexy man. Have a blessed day." Because you should always be kind. Have a blessed day, bro. Thank you for dropping by, saying hello. Trader Gio in the chat. Airdropper, what's going on? And we got to book some hockey, man. Canada won yesterday against the Swedes. So we got to book some hockey. Good morning, Spoon. Good morning, Shredder. Scadwick Gaming. Good morning, Papa Alex. That's me. Papa Alex. Richard Ritchie. Smash some likes, peeps. Thanks for that. I appreciate that. Welcome back to the live stream. Join the free Discord. Yeah, that's the one, man. That's the one. Amazing group of people here. PPI news coming up. PPI news. PP. The PP news is coming. Got to be careful of that PP news. We got the PP news at 8:30 here. Woo-wee. PPI. Month over month. Core PPI. Okay. Initial jobless claims. Interesting. We'll see how this goes. We know how yesterday was. Yesterday was a fun time, wasn't it? The big rug show. The big rug show. I mean, we didn't really trade it. We put like half a position size, made some money. Then we put half a position size, and then we got stopped out. It wasn't really a trading day yesterday. I had an appointment, so a couple little fun little trades, but nothing serious yesterday. So we're still doing good this week. We took a trade on Monday, no trade Tuesday, no trades yesterday, and now we'll look to see if this wants to bounce. But I am looking a little bit lower. We'll see. Like we said, want to see the bounce, want to be about the bounce. You know what I mean? So we'll see what goes on here this morning. PPI news on its way. Mitchie, good morning. Coinhover, testing the POC ranges. Keen to see what direction we're going. Yeah. I mean, this is decent. I wouldn't say bottoming structure, but we have 3 drives in here. Right? We have a big liquidity sweep into the order block. It just there's no oomph. There's no oomph, you know? Not even really a clean break here for structure wise, right? Like coming down, trying to put in a higher high, doesn't really close above. So right now, we wait. I want to see this reclaim. We have a support line in here. Maybe we reclaim and then we go. But yeah, I don't like it too much yet. But this does tend to bounce, okay? So we'll see how it goes. No trade yet. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting, and that's how we roll here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 200 people on the live stream. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out. French toaster, airdropper, what's going on? Stragaheart. Did I just get splashed by my coffee? I did. What? That's not a good morning. Attack of the coffee on my glasses, too. I don't need the glasses. These are the blue light glasses. I wear them when sometimes, you're staring at a screen all day and just your head feels like it's pounding. I should go back to construction, really. Then your whole body feels like it's pounding because you're absolutely Oh no, Michael's sick as me. How? I hope you feel better, my friend. I hope you feel better, man. I hate that. I hate being sick. I haven't been sick, knock on wood. And I typically get sick every year around Christmas. It's kind of weird. And then I'll catch like a little sniffle maybe in springtime, but that's about it. Got that pure blood, That's the key is we're pure blood, so maybe we don't get sick as much as other people. Who knows? We won't go down conspiracy theory lane. How much of your portfolio is in Bitcoin? So 1 to 30%. Okay. 80%. Okay. Yeah, you guys are dangerous, man. You guys are living on the danger zone. We are in a range, but most of the people look to long. I can't understand it. Most of the times they don't follow the trend. Yeah, the trend is down. Like it's quite obvious. You go on to like a 4-hour. You take a look here. Okay, all you have to do is this, guys. This is your short yesterday. There's your short. I'm not trying to be a smartass, but we talked about this in the Discord. How we needed to get out and beyond this, otherwise we're coming back into the range. If you want to pull the weekly, fixed range volume profile, and you want to say, hey man, this is where we're at. That's pretty much it, right? Like, there's your weekly fixed range volume profile. You came to the top of the range. You'd be looking to short. I mean, this is I don't know. Trader Geo's probably in the short because he's up at 10 o'clock. I'm too busy putting my son to bed and stuff like that. But I'm sure he's in the short. And it was pretty obvious. I mean, you got bearish divergence up at the top of the range. You come into probably an order block. If we look to the left for some confluence, let's look to the left for some confluence, see if it's there. An order block in here. Yes, we got a little one. Oh, isn't that sweet? We got a little. And then you just go like this, and there you go. Magical. I'm sure he's short from here. Trader Geo, are you short from up top there? My man? He's probably gone now. I bet you he's short from there. But yeah, trend is down. Now, why am I looking for the long here? Because we're a bit overextended, okay? So when we look at this, what do we see? We see our little bear divs in here. And I mean, I shorted here last night. That was my last trade. But you could see we pushed up, 786 rejection. We pushed a little bit higher, double top here, lower low, rolling over, okay? Loss of structure, so you could short here as well. However, we do have this as a target here. We have VWAP up in here, okay? Oof. Oh, I like this bounce. Bull divs in here. I'm going to get half a position long here. Yeah. I'm going to do it into PPI. I'm long into PPI. Into the PP data. I'm long into the PP. Push Bitcoin. Push, baby. Let's go, PP. You think the PPI is going to be bullish? Put a 1 in the chat. What do you guys think? PPI is going to be bullish or bearish? 1 for bullish, 2 for bearish. Let me know in the chat. Curtis Neal, what's going on? Sharkfin. Magic Internet Money. Oh, man. I love this guy, man. This guy. Guys, if you want to learn and you want to be a better trader, this is one of my my heroes in the space, okay? Magic Internet Money. If you're not following this guy, I don't know. He's on Sin City Crypto weekly. He's probably the most honest and straight shooter, I think, in this space. He's my friend, and I love this guy, man. He's awesome, man. I've learned a lot from this guy. He's helped me a lot with holding trades longer. He's helped me with not over trading. He's helped me with documenting. I think he's very big on documenting your trades. But yeah, go follow Magic Internet Money. He does have an amazing Discord too, where you can learn more. I think it's like $10 a month. I mean, you can learn so much. Go follow him on Twitter too. Okay, this guy is he's playing jump rope. He's playing jump rope. We got to play some b-ball soon, man. Are you coming to Vegas? Come to Vegas, man. Give me a hug. My Canadian ass is leaving my damn igloo to come to Vegas to see all you guys. So I'll bring my almanac and you can sign it. How about that? Stragahart, today's sniper entry. Luke Vander. Oh, man, I have had the tissue already. Yeah, I have tissues on my desk. I am a married man, and I'm not about you know, about that life. I know you guys are all sitting there on your wanking chariots, and that's fine. You do what you have to do. No fap. What are the hub? No, today's a no fap Thursday. Okay, guys, got to know your audience, right? No fap Thursdays. Okay, you guys are gross. Good morning, Magic Internet Money. CJ Nis, the Echelon Show. I'm in half a position size here. Easy risk management here. A little sweep of the lows, bullish divergence, trying to come up to VWAP. Target into this order block. We'll see if we bounce. I know we have news in 10 minutes, so I'd like this thing to get its wiggle on. Now or never kind of deal. We'll see if it does. On a push. Very easy risk management, though. Gillian, good morning. RS Miller, good morning to you. DDT, big up. Magic Internet Money and CVO. Yeah, I work with CVO as well. CVO is a great guy as well. These guys are like Batman. You think bullish news, bearish news, bearish news. Okay, nobody knows. That's good. That's good. No crystal balls in here. We need some crystal balls in here. My Canadian accent. I don't know. Whenever I try to put on an accent, I just go like really, really pathetic Texas whiny bitch accent. Good morning, Lunar Beaches, Crypto Art Pink. Geo is always short. I'm 5'4", so me and Geo are pretty. We see eye to eye. That's how you'd put it. All hail the Red Wings. Oh man, guys, who is your hockey team? Okay, you guys gotta let me know in the chat. Who is your hockey team? I'm a Leafs fan, born and bred in Toronto. Okay, you guys gotta let me know who is your hockey team because it can't be the Red Wings. Like you like Detroit Red Wings, which is back in the day. Okay, Steve Yzerman. Eric Shanahan, like great players back in the day. Now, who the hell's on the Red Wings besides Patrick Kane? Okay, original 6 team. 2 PP or not 2 PP is the question. You guys are bad, man. They say to know your PP is going to be erect or flaccid. It's totally up to you. You got to know your audience, they say, when you start YouTube, right? We got the Panthers. My cousin's a Panthers fan. Congratulations on your win. Detroit. It's Detroit. My wife makes fun of how I say Detroit. My wife does. Like, Detroit is in England, right? Detroit's in England, but I say Detroit, and she makes fun of me every single day. Bruins, but my favorite is Rangers. Okay, my no, he's a Bruins fan. He grew up watching Bobby Orr. Imagine that, back in the day. That's cool. Imagine you grew up watching Bobby Orr. We don't know Wayne Gretzky, like all the goods, man. All the goods. Anyone get emotional watching Mitchie get the winner last night? I mean, it was pretty sick. Mitchie came through, man. Too bad he can't do it for the Leafs. Oh, man, Mitchie coming through. A little drop pass from Sydney. Oh, man. What a goal. Love it, man. You can't beat it. What is your entry price right now? It's right here, man. 95,846. We are toy. This is like a 1.5 to 1 ratio. It's not the best. This could turn into something juicy. Like, I'm not saying it won't. But for my intentions right now, if we pump up into this area, I'm closing it because we got news. If we push up now and take this high, I'll close it. I'll close 3/4 of it. We'll leave it at that. Okay, I'll close 3/4 of it just because I don't want to be I really don't want to be a news victim after yesterday. I'll tell you straight. Okay? I do not want to be a news victim. We got 5 minutes till the news. 320 people in here. We are long right now. We'll see if we do continue to push up here in Detroit. Sharks. San Jose, man. You guys got that Calabrini guy? He's sick, man. He's pretty sick. Nashville, you got Stamkos. That's cool. Bruins, yeah. Well, Leafs hate Bruins, right? Like, I can't say anything besides Marchand is a rat. And Caps hockey, man. Washington, Ovechkin. Oh, no. No. Magic. Let's go round one, Bruins and Leafs, baby. Let's go, baby. Nemesis, man. Oh, of course, man. Oh, of course. Marchand with a nice goal last night too. Ah, of course. When the Bruins beat us, we were up 5-1, 5-2. We were up 5-2 in Game 7, and the Bruins came back and beat us 6-5. My grandfather is a Bruins fan, and he's sitting there just laughing at me and laughing like, oh man. Oh, Munchkin. Yeah, that's me on the. I'm pretty good at hockey, but I am small. Alex, I love the video with No. Thank you. Yeah, he's been doing better lately. So my grandfather is he turned 88. Kind of stalling out here. 4 minutes until news. Not any oomph on this price action yet. So looking for this to push. No push. Stalling out. Stalling out. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Don't be like that. Coming back to break even. We're going to have to ride this into the news data. Uh-oh. Should we close it into the news data? Put a 1 if we should close it. Put a 2 if we should keep it open. It's a pretty tight stop loss in here. We have the PPI data or PP data. I don't know what you want to call it. It's just numbers. Numbers they lie about every single day right here. 1 minute till PPI. Okay? PP in your eye. 2 YOLO. Everybody's saying YOLO. Somebody into next week. We're getting a little push here. Getting a little push here, guys. I'm getting excited. Shouldn't get excited when you're trading. It should be pretty boring. Trading should be boring. High probabilities, good risk management. That's what trading is. Okay. Key levels, bounce levels, ideas, scalping. Gonna sweep 92K lows. Okay. A nice little bounce in here. Probably wants to push, but I'm probably gonna regret closing this, but I'm gonna take it off. At least give me the fees. Oh man, it's running away from me. All right, close that. It's not good to trade into news. Never a good idea. Okay, we'll just put a little mark here of where our entry really was. We'll see what happens going into news. We got 1 minute. $15 seconds. Let's see. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out with us. Okay, see, would have wrecked us. Would have, could have, didn't wreck us, right? Oh man, guys and girls, would have hit our take profit right there. That's why we got out right there. That could have happened in the opposite direction. Let's be real, okay? Let's be real, right? It's a good thing we closed that out. You know, we always show our trades here. I made $33 on that little trade. Okay, so at the end of the day, we took the trade, $33. We closed the trade out just to not be involved in this shit, right? Okay. Came up to VWAP where we wanted it to, so readjust. PPI suggests possibly bearish, possibly bullish, right? It came in hot. Okay? PPI coming in hot here. I'm not a fundamentals guy, but producer price inflation month over month in the United States increased to 0.4% in January from 0.2 in December. Producer price inflation month over month in the state average 0.2% from 2009. Yeah, so it's just coming up. It's hot. It's hot, baby. It's hot off the press. Okay. Nice little data read. I would suggest that's bearish. You know, you don't want to see inflation, do you? You don't want to see inflation. The Rob side's laughing because we closed it. I mean, we'd be break even right now. I mean, if you wanted to trade that, all hats to you. I mean, good morning, Trade Intuition in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Yeah, so I mean, we would have hit that area in here that we were talking about, like just coming up into here. We would have hit that, and then now we would have been underwater. So I think that was a good close. We got to celebrate good closes, okay? A little bit of discipline doesn't go unnoticed in trading, okay? If you can stay disciplined, you can grow an account. If you can't stay disciplined, you're moving your stop loss, not managing your risk, you can't grow an account. You're a shower, not a grower, like a lot of people in the crypto trading industry. They're all showers. They'll show you the percentages, and they're not growers, right? They're flaccid AF. Magic Internet Money, he's a shower and a grower. He's awesome. Trade Intuition, he's a shower and a grower, okay? You want to hang out with showers and growers. Army Piper, he's a shower and a grower, okay? That's what it's all about. Maybe with the new merch, we'll put shower and a grower. How about that? And then maybe just ask underneath. We twisted in here sometimes, man. We're twisted. We got 360 people in here. I got to do a spin. There you go. I did it. I did it for you guys, the people. This looks like it's pushing up here a little bit into VWAP. We'll see how it reacts. I do like the bull divs in here, like we said. Want to see continuation here. We do have follow through coming in nice here into VWAP. We'll see how it reacts at VWAP. No trade yet. Obviously, we would have been nice with that trade so far, but a little patience. A little patience. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. I spun for you guys. So pushing up to VWAP, a little bit of volatility. What tends to happen is you get the little whipsaw action, and then you get flat until market opens, okay? That's typically what happens, and that's what I'm going to assume is going to happen. Market opens here, guys. So let's go do some top-down analysis. Take a look at what we're looking at. So what we can see is that we're clearly in the downtrend. We don't really have much strength coming in here. For me, just being patient, understanding that we're pretty much range bound. We do have some hopium, like our 2-day. We're watching our 2-day for a possible push back in. Money's coming out, but this is rolling up. So, looking to oscillate higher. However, money is coming out. So it's got some work to do on the daily as well. Trying to push back up in this. Okay. It really failed last night. That was, the story for looking at price action here, and we can see that if we're looking at this as a range, we came up pretty much to the top of the range of this volume in here and got rejected. Okay. Yeah, choppy. And we have, we don't have any significant structure breaks, right? So for me, it's like you have to assume down until you get above the high here, right? There's lots of liquidity to sweep in these highs in here. Don't get it twisted. We could be coming all the way up to this area in here. That would be a target if we do break and go. But we haven't broken and gone yet, okay? We haven't broken and gone. Challenging view up right now. No trade here, guys. Just gonna wait. It's not you're kind of buying the top of the range here, middle of the range, so you don't want to jump in willy-nilly here. So we do have liquidity above us. Very simply looking at the 12-hour here, looking to have a trigger wave push us back up high, but nothing as of yet. Okay, nothing as of yet. Money coming out. No real signs of strength yet. Now for today, 4, 3, 2, and 1, right? The 4-hour. This is typically juicy when we get the pig nipples and the money coming in like this. This is all juicy, but it's not something that we just trade solely based off of. Okay, so nice rounded bottoms. We love rounded bottoms. Okay, we got the nice bull div in here. And the nice bull div in here. Okay, so we got multiple drives of bullish divergence and a failure to reclaim the high in here. Okay, so we are stuck in the middle with you. Treat it as a range. That's basically it, right? If you wanted to just draw a silly trend line, you can, right? This one down here. We got rejected off that last night. And now we have come down into the middle of the range. Typical, right? Chopping about, wrecking the bulls. Like I said the other day, is we got a typical whipsaw price action where, if you can catch the bottoms and the tops of these areas, which we do teach you the skills how to do that here, you can make some good money because this is a nice little 3% range, right? I can make a lot of money off 3% range. Some swing traders are probably upset about this range, and I don't blame them. We haven't had any clear direction besides down. Okay, down. Trump is making Bitcoin sloppy again. That's about it. Okay. So we'll see how it reacts today. The 4 looking like some hopium, money coming back in. The 3 trigger wave here. The 1 trigger wave. All trying to come back up into this thing. Okay. The thing is, we have a nice order block down in here that I would like to see us come for initially. Okay, I don't think we've gone low enough, but we can look for that retrace, right? The intention for this trade was to come up for continuation to bounce, okay? So we are looking for this trade within this downtrend, okay? Time is relevant when trading, right? It's the hardest thing to do, but if you're looking for this, you can take this trade within the downtrend. That was the intention. We have bull divs in here trying to push up and then get rejected eventually. But easy enough idea. Easy enough idea. As long as you're practicing good risk management, you're taking the trade with good confluence, you can make some money. Okay, going into our 24 for today. Yeah. Just be aware, right? Liquidity below us, liquidity above us, order block here, order block here. Okay. Bullish divergence in here, failure to push up. We could look for a continuation trade back into this area again. Okay. But right now we'll let it chop and bake. Okay. Chop and bake. It's like, yeah, it didn't even get up to view up here. So I'd look for another. We're looking for retest continuation possibly here. The problem with getting long right here, your invalidation point would be pretty close. Be something like this, and then you'd be trying to get above VWAP within this trade. That's why we wanted to take it lower. You'd be like something like this, but up into that order block. Our multiple is not that great here. That's why you want to catch this thing lower. Easy stop loss, right? Much better R multiple. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with us. We're here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. I got to get a skipping rope now. Magic Internet Money has inspired me to skip. Skip to me, Lou. Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning. R.S. Miller, what's going on? Like 101 is mine. That's pretty cool. 101 Dalmatians. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't forget, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. That is true. It's my best friend's son. It's his son's birthday. He's a lover boy. So imagine that your birthday's on Valentine's. You just out there getting all the ladies. Dave Digital, good morning to you. Crypto CD, smash those likes, he says. That'd be nice. That'd be nice if you guys want to smash them, tickle them, whatever you want to do to them. Grateful everybody's here hanging out with the gang. The Dixie hasn't died yet, okay? So we're still waiting for the Dixie to roll over. There's signs. Need to get below this 107, really. Okay, the S&P yesterday, pretty much a nothing burger. It's kind of interesting how we got really dumped on, and then this thing has just crawled up. It continues to crawl up. Okay, NASDAQ here into big resistance right now. Okay, big resistance. Can we keep going? NASDAQ looking strong, trying to push through, right? Bitcoin stalling out here. This is a potential long. Like, I could take this, but yeah, I just bull divs, continuation, try to push. Mitigation of the high here, continuation up. Money flow coming in. It's all there. It's all there. Like, you could take this trade. I'm not going to take this trade, just so you guys know. We took one trade. We closed it out. Made $30. We'll keep at it. I mean, we would have been up a couple hundred now, but didn't want to trade into that news. You can trade into news, but I mean, you're always, look at yesterday. If you got long yesterday, you're absolutely demolished, right? So it's totally up to you. I don't think it helps you in the long run trading news. Okay, if you want to be objective and you want to trade a plan and you want to practice good risk management, you're not trading news. You're letting the news happen and then making a decision afterwards, if anything. You typically want to let it bake. We're holding yesterday's previous. I do suggest you guys get these. So you get daily opens, daily close. Free indicator here. Just kind of gives you a target base, right? So you can see, look, our previous day open is acting as support right now, which is pretty incredible, right? You wouldn't expect that, but it allows you to isolate price of where you can look for targets. So yes, we can look to come back up in here. And yes, we can look to come back down in here. We are in the middle of the range, right? What does that mean? We're in the hot dog, right? We don't want to trade the hot dog. Do you like getting wieners in the face? You let me know. Okay. It's a big hot dog today. That's what she said, okay? We're below VWAP, suggesting a downtrend and continuation down. We have broken, obviously, structure over here, continuing to roll over. We do have a target down below us here into this order block area as well. Okay. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Are we going to talk food today or what? Like, I think it's just, this is going to become a food channel. What do you guys think? Should we just start doing like baking shows and stuff? I think we should do some baking shows. What food are we going to discuss today, friends? 268 people in here and 120 likes. Some prefer tea bags to hot dogs. Okay. Okay, you guys are wild, man. You guys are wild. Rolling over here. That's no trade, right? You guys are wild. Best audience in all of crypto, man. Talking smack, talking food, talking nonsense, taking trades, making money, baby. Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Randy. Hipper's in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing well. Randy Hipper in the chat. Guys, you should subscribe to Mrs. Hipper over here. She's hip as hell. She kicks ass. She talks about Bitcoin every single day, helping you guys make money, helping you guys have knowledge. Little sweep down below here. Coming down right now. This is where I'm more interested in a long, to be honest. Looking here. See if we get it. Yeah. Looking to get long here. Not in yet. I'd like a little bit lower. I'd like a little bit lower. We'll see what we get here. Come on, Bitcoin, come down to Papa O. Come down to Papa O. I'd like a little sweep in here. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out. I'm going to go half a position size right now. Half a position size gives me a little bit more wiggle room here. Only putting 40,000 down. Half a position size. I'm in it. We'll see. We could add lower. I don't know if I'm going to add. Long at 95K says CG beats. Crypto Billy, what's going on? Good to see ya. Randy Hipper, thank you so much for dropping by. God bless you. All these amazing people in here. How did you learn to trade? Lots of failure. Lots of failure, man. Lots of practice. Lots of studying. Lots of paper trading. Lots of back testing. Lots of questions. Asked a lot of questions, man. I started teaching as well, and I started the YouTube so I could learn while I was trading too. It's a thing. That's the one thing that I didn't realize that would help me so much. Is actually when I started my YouTube channel, I was pretty novice at trading. However, by voicing my thoughts whilst trying to read the charts, it actually allowed me to get more of an understanding, which has really helped me. So yeah, just dedication. I think you pick three things, okay? Pick three things. I would say price action, an oscillator, and then anything else, some sort of average. Volume profile, volume weighted average price, VWAP, pivots. But you got to learn price action. You got to learn market structure. And then from there you can expand, but don't keep switching it up. Don't switch it up. Learn it, master it, hone your craft, right? Fit your trading into what your lifestyle is about too. Remember, like for me, I used to work a big construction job, right? So I just constantly come home and I'm tired, right? And I had to fit my schedule around my trading, right? I'd come home, I'd analyze the charts, and I'd make some trades. I'd set up key levels, and I was more of a swing trader when I was working, so I didn't have the time to be on the charts like I am now, right? For me now, I can come in, make my $500, $1,000, and then run away in 2 hours, right? That's kind of how I've set it up now. But when I lived in Australia and England, I was working full time, so my trading was complementary to my income, right? And I was learning at the same time, so it's very important. You can trade it maybe even a session, so you can go to Lux Algo, has like a free session thing. This is what I used to do. I put Lux Algo sessions here, and it would tell you when New York Open is, right? You can trade the London session. You can isolate your time frame and only trade that session if you want to scalp, or you could swing trade key levels. Get really good with alarms. Alarms are going to really give you some freedom. You don't want to always be staring at a chart, okay? Setting the alarms is going to change your life, man. You get good alarms. That's really going to help you maximize really your time. Time is so important, right? So make sure you're doing that for yourself as well. Okay, little push here. Come on, Bitcoin. Just want to see it come up into VWAP here. Pretty slow price action right now. Like I said, remember volume depreciating after the news event, right? So we got the news event, volume coming up in here. Not really doing much. Okay, it's trying. Thank you guys for liking the content, subscribing if you are new. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 till 10. If you do want to take your trading further, come over and hang out in our Discord. I mean, amazing Discord, $1 a day. Live streams every single day. A great group of people. I mean, Sui trade still banging. Still banging on the Sui trade. Up 24%. Signals, group chats, great people, all helping each other. 4 traders at your disposal. Thesis, Brewberry, Smart Money Concepts, Scalping, Kyle Momentum Trading. Incredible Discord. If you do want to trade further, come over and hang out here. It's $1 a day. Come over here, watch the videos. Here's your schedule. All the good stuff. Okay. We'd love to have you over here hanging out with us. That's if you do want to join an amazing community. The Otter Gang. Built on kindness. I mean, it was free forever, so it's a pretty established group, and we would love to have you. If not, just come over and hang with us. There is a free section as well where we all just talk a lot of smack, which is always fun. Okay, pushing here. Trying to go, man. Trying to go. We're only in half a position size here, so a little bit of wiggle room, to say the least. Let's see if it does want to push. It's trying to go. It's trying to go, baby. Come on. It's trying to go. It's going. It's going. It's going. I can hear my son in the next room. Aw. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. He's just finding his words, you know. It's so cool, man. It's so cool. I never thought being a father would be so amazing. It is absolutely incredible. Even when the little butthead keeps you up at night. It's worth the sleepless nights. Let's put it that way. It's worth it. Baby Otter. Yeah, that's the one. Let's go. Pushing here. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. That's $100 there. I'm gonna take that off. Closed out. All right. Slowly but surely. See, you don't have to put on big size here. Like, I mean, I would have made $200-300 on that trade there. There's another one, GG. Another $100. Keep it stacking, right? Keep it stacking. That was very like chill. Very chill trade here. Okay. Very easy to see that one. So you come in here. You get half a position size because you do have the threat of coming down below here. Okay. You have your news. You come back. You put in a higher low, so that's where we got long. Right? You're looking to come up to VWAP. You rolled over quite aggressively. Half a position size. Take this back up here. Quick $100. Easy. Easy trade. And yeah, this could continue. And oh my God, you got out of the trade. That's not the intention. Remember, we talk about intention with the trading, right? $100. 0.3 move. Easy money. Before market open. Less volatility. Okay. Stress free. Just chilling. I'm paying myself today. I think that's kind of where it's at. Best job in the world is being a dad. There's another winner. Good day, Alex. Tuned in perfect time. Took the trade, made some green. Let's go, buddy. That's awesome, Lewis. Yeah, we took a long in here, but then we closed it because of news, so we only got $30 out of the trade. It would have been nice, a nice trade, probably $300-400. But that's fine. Came back down, took the long here. Continuation. Just hovering below VWAP. Like once we get up into here, there's no trade, right? Like you don't want to take this trade and bang your head and then get rejected. You want to take the lows in here, right? The hot dog theme, right? This is your hot dog. These are your lows. Confirmation higher low. Continuation. Quick little scalp in and out. Got to be intentional with it though, right? I mean, right now we be coming back down. This does look like it wants to roll over maybe one more time. We do have the drives here, like 1, 2, 3, bang, bang, bang. Typically this would recover, but not looking too hot right now. Still looking for that Ethereum long. I think I'll be waiting till next year. Still waiting for Ethereum here. Sui trade in a Discord. This was a Sui trade given in advance over the weekend. You can see here, perfect little entry, little drawdown, and then boom, up 23% here, given in the Discord, okay? You were in mega profits pretty quickly here. This is Sunday night, okay, into Tuesday. Okay, take profit 1, take profit 2, looking for that $3.80. Okay, this was given in advance. If you do want trades like this, I mean, if you can't make $30 off of a 20% move, I don't know what to tell you, man. Maybe McDonald's or Walmart is the life for you. Okay, we got a breakout retest here on Sui as well. Looking for that continuation. Incredible Discord. 400 people here, 143 likes. You mind if we could smash up those likes up to 200? I shut up after 200. So if we do get those likes up to 200, I would appreciate that. Which indicator is better, the hot dog or the stiletto? So the stiletto is a bottoming pattern. Same with the balloon dog. Okay. So we got some weird ass patterns in this community, but they make sense to me. So if they don't make, so stiletto pattern, you got the balloon dog and the stiletto pattern, which are bottoming structure. Okay. Stiletto pattern is when price comes down and it bounces aggressively, and then you get a trickling down like that. And either you mitigate the low, you sweep the low and you bounce. Love that. Then you take the higher low, you get long there. Or you come down into here, you don't sweep the low, but you get a bull div in here. And you take that trade. Long, gone. Okay, bottoming structure. The balloon dog is a double bottom followed by a bullish pennant. Okay? Here's your doggy dog. Okay? And that breaks out to the upside as well. Okay? That's your balloon dog. Your hot dog is really to understand wherever you're trading, where is your range, okay? Premium, discount, hot dog, equilibrium, okay? Supply, demand, don't trade this, okay? And it could be used on any time frame. Like, I mean, you could be on there daily, and you could say that this is your hot dog here, right? You got your bun, and your hot dog, right? Your hot dog. It's just really like, for me, it enforces that you don't want to get hit with a hot dog in the face, right? So you don't want to be in the middle of the range trading. You want to be on the edge. Okay, you want to be edging. We're into edging here. I don't know how to explain it, guys. That's what I see. Okay? Here's your typical balloon dog pattern. So you got a double bottom, bull pennant, up you go. Okay, here's your stiletto pattern. There's probably tons of them in here. Go in here. Here's your stiletto pattern right here. Big wick down, come back down, chop, 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 chop. Mitigation of the low, up you go. Okay? They're all over the place. Easy trades if you know how to take them. That was a good close on that scalp long there, guys. Good job. Good little scalp. Good close. GG's all around, baby. I love it. I love seeing you guys win. So what's the food of choice today? We're going to go, okay, Tradefly was talking about this. And I'm wondering, favorite cereal. How do you spell cereal? Moose? How do you spell cereal? Yeah? R-E-A-L. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go with the I'm gonna go with the OGs. Okay. We're gonna go with Oh shit! I'm gonna make this one hard now. I'm gonna give you the doozy. I'm gonna give you guys the doozy. Oh man, this isn't fair. You guys are gonna be upset here. Yeah, I call my wife Moose. It's like deer but Canadian. I'm gonna confuse so many people. Oh man. Okay, this is holding. This is my least favorite pattern, which is a symmetrical triangle. I hate this shit. I don't touch these even if Piper's pushing. Okay? Quick $100, $130 this morning so far, just chilling out. It adds up, man. It adds up. That's the difference. It adds up, baby. Let's go. Fruit Loops is a DEI cereal. I think, Toucan Sam is probably I think he's a white powder addict. He's like, just follow your nose wherever it goes, Yes, make it hard, Alex. Of course, Dave, for you, always. No Cinnamon Toast Crunch, poll is invalidated. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is like, it's good until it's soggy, man. You guys are Cheerios. Man, Cheerios are bomb. Cheerios are bomb. Frosted Flakes are good too. The only problem with Frosted Flakes is when you chew on it and it's still like sharp and it cuts the top of your mouth. Apple Jacks. Let's go. Apple Jacks were good. If it gets soggy, that's on you. Milk after is the best. Okay. Special K red berries. Cereal was invented to keep people from touching us. No cereal. Fruit Loops. You guys are hilarious, man. Alexandra G. If you had to pick a cereal, which one would it be, Alexandra G? If you're driving, you don't have to answer me. Honey Bunches of Oats. Cheerios are the deadliest cereal on the planet. Here we go. Dave Digital is going to talk about red dye or something. Here, tell us about red dye. My mom used to buy... Okay, we didn't have a lot of money back in the day. And my mom used to buy plain Cheerios. Brings me back. We used to buy plain Cheerios. And I used to put sugar on them. Good old times, man. That's the greatest. And then you get the you have to scrape your spoon at the bottom of the bowl in order to get the sugar with the... Oh, man. Lucky Charms. Okay. We all know that Lucky Charms has the best milk after the cereal. The blue milk. The blue milk is the best. Lucky Charms, baby. Let's go. I would keep all the marshmallows till the end. Plain Cheerios with sugar added was the only cereals I would eat. Shout out to Justin, man. That's the one, man. Corn Pops are good. I feel like a Smurf shitted on my milk. All right, getting a little decision here. Looks like a rollover. We got 20 minutes till market open here. Just waiting right now. We'll see how it reacts. The PP data wasn't good. Inflation is high. But we did ask Nono for some help yesterday. Nono came through for us. Did a little video with Nono. The market needs your help. Oh. The market's going away. No. The market needs your help. Oh. The market's going away. No. We need it to go which way? Oh, which way? I think we need it to go up. Oh. Up and away? Yeah. Okay, we're going to go up. Never mind. Oh. Up and away. Up and away. Yeah. Gotta love No. Look at the fedora, man. The fedora, the Italiano. Knows, man. He's doing all right. You know, it's not easy being 88. That's all I gotta say, man. Poor man. I'm gonna go get some that guy, that amazing human. Sacrificed everything for his family. Gonna go get some coffee. I'm out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo,
Out of game.
Crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo,
Oh, bouncing off
crypto.
standard deviation 1 here.
Alexo, crypto.
Okay. Little volume coming in here. Picking up a little bit. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. We got 320 people here. One trade so far, just waiting. We're talking about cereal now. All right. Just needs a pimp king. Yeah. Count Chocula. Oh, shy. 3-star. Michelin mashed potato, pork chops, and brown sauce. The brown sauce, man. You're definitely from the UK. Raisin Bran. Oh, Raisin Bran's good. No lie. Raisin Bran is good. He's getting coffee. Here comes the move. Typical, right? He's got a pity in his lap. Any normal trader gonna long the next 786? No. You're looking here, Dave, down here, 786, swing low to swing high. $94.8. I'm more interested in here first. And up in here. Fair value gaps up in here as well. What a rug. Overnight. 9 till 4 a.m. Jeez, you got to trade Asia. Coming into market open, we're going to see what happens here. NASDAQ continues to do its thing, trying to break out here, trying to get above. Pretty strong considering what's going on. S&P, same thing here. It swept in a bounce, so that's really good. And the Dixie still remains strong, so Bitcoin rolling over. Indecisive. We had a little bit of a hopium pump yesterday for the altcoins. I think everybody got like a little bit excited too fast. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hey, Dave, do you want to get in on the group photo or not, man? You haven't sent me a picture of you as an otter yet. Okay? I thought you would want to be, considering I gave you your first ever wrench, I thought you would want to be in the group photo. You haven't sent me any photos. You're all like with this AI stuff. Don't you want to be part of the group photo? We could fit a Dave Digital in here somewhere. We could fit you in here. Oh, this one's the one I cut out from before. We could fit you in here, Dave. I'll put you down here if you want. Or in here. Or in here. Or in here. Wherever you want to go, Dave. I'll fit you in, buddy. We got to add Alexandra G. And Mel. We got Mel, Alexandra G. Dave sent me photos as well. Tradefly. Army Piper. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Where's the Piper Otter? I haven't added it all in yet. Auto Crypto. Nasdaq's in chop you up mode, yeah. Oh yeah, big time. Nasty. Same with Bitcoin round trip price action, right? So we take our piece and we run. That's kind of how, like, look at that. We took this long in here. Look at that beautiful little scalp. No drawdown on that long, just long, bang, take our money and run. Right? So far so good. B Team Crypto's in the chat. What's going on, bro? He's in the group photo. You guys making me work so hard here, Dave. You want me to make you an otter? I can't be making your otter for you. We even have a Crypto Pollo. Should we add Crypto Pollo to the chat, to the picture? Here's Crypto Pollo. The chicken of all Bitcoin. That's cock in you. That's all that is. Getting the kids ready for school. Oh, awesome, man. Good morning, guys. Do we have a trade yet? So we've taken a couple trades this morning, Daniel. 2 scalps. Okay, we got the news data. We're up $130 so far today. We'll see how it continues to play. Just not trying to catch the home run trades today, buddy. Just trying to take what the market gives us, really. Very chop. Very chop. Okay, look at this. Quite nasty. We got market open in 12 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream here, hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us in the Discord. An amazing group of traders, helping traders, all that good stuff. So we'd love for you to come over here. We just cleared 7,500 subs. Incredible. Incredible. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out. I do appreciate every single one of you guys, and it's always good fun here. We always hopefully make some money and crush the markets every single day, Monday to Friday, 8 till 10. Doozy yesterday, coming in here. Big rug yesterday, then the bounce. Bull div in here, pushing up. 3 drives. Bear divs, okay? We have a sell wall above us here. You know, if this is our established low, okay, so we could be looking at our 786 down in here, but if this is our established low for now, we can go impulse to low here, and we can say that, hey, this is our target for a possible continuation in here. But right now, market structure suggests that we could get another sweep down below in here before heading higher. Maybe a sweep into the start of the day. Then we recover into 97. Okay? Just treating it like a range, right? You'd be good if you be selling here. You'd be good if you be buying here, right? Same deal. All the way down in here, all the way down in here. It's just very choppy. So you want to go on confirmation here. 24 bullish divergence trying to push out. Okay, 1 hour trying to push out as well. Hidden bullish divergence here. Okay. 2 hour trigger wave trying to push out as well. The thing here is we want to see this start to turn up properly. We haven't seen that yet. It's still bleeding. Okay, 3 hour, same thing. Still bleeding. My market open line here. 4 hour. This is probably the juiciest because money flow. Money flow is nice and rounded here, which is something that, you know, you wait for that. I mean, we've had bull divs, so lots of liquidity above us. Do they send it down first? So that's the question. Do they send it here? We get a big sweep and then we go, or so for me, we treat it as a range until then, right? It can go either way. As long as we can participate with good risk management, I don't see why not. Look for a bounce coming in here. We got 9 minutes till market opens. We have a serial debate. You're going long on that night. Liquidity sweep at 95K. So this one in here. You do have a 786 down in here. You haven't filled this order block just yet. You do have nice 3 drives in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you're to get like picky with it, then you could be like long here. 786 continuation, but I would say it's a higher chance of us going up right now just because of where we're at in price action. We have had a very dramatic rollover overnight. Okay, you can see just cascading all the way down, right? You cascade once, you retest, you cascade twice, you bull div, you push up, you retest previous lows. Okay, right in here, you retest that previous low, you roll over again, wrecking everybody who went long here. Okay, now you're in the same situation. Are you going to wreck everybody that is going long here, or are you going to push into VWAP, reclaim, and continue up to our golden pocket / order block above us? Okay, so those are the options. We know the liquidity resides in these lows in here. We have a 786 around 94.8 as well. Okay, so we're very much in the middle of a range. Therefore, you know, if you are trading this, you want to take, in my opinion, you want to pay yourself early and let the rest ride. Your decision is 50-50 up or down, right? And then you want to try and get in. Even though we're in the middle of the range, we can say that, hey, we're in the middle of a very small range as a scalper, so we can get in long or short. But I would say that short is up here if we're going to get short. And you can look for it to continue. Either up, bang, liquidity up here, but first stop is here and here. Breakout retest, continuation, right? Like there's options here. Very choppy right now, though. Volume's starting to pick up a tiny bit. Okay, we had the news data. Now we see volumes increasing here. Strength to the downside and then getting bought up. Okay, so doesn't mean because the candle closes down like this one here, okay, doesn't mean that it's pushing down. It means buyers are coming in here possibly as well. Okay, this is still a higher low. And you've held here. Your standard deviation 1 is holding. We'll see how it goes. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. You've placed your otter selfie in the Discord chat. That is not... What? Is that an otter chicken with a ball sack on his chin? Ball chinian? 589. I'm going to save that one. Got Trade Fly in here. We got Mel in here. I'm putting you guys all in the background, okay? I don't know about that picture. You guys got a ball sack chicken otter. I can't put that in the merch, man. There's too much going on there. My God, look at the scrotum on this thing, man. It's not even a ball sack. We'll call it the technical term of a scrotum. That is a gallo, El Gallo. Yeah, exactly. Let's get 15 more likes. That would be nice. Yeah. You guys are crazy. Melissa's in here. She's got her Melissa, I'm making the decision for you. Okay, we're going with the one with the backwards hat, okay? This is an otter chicken hybrid. Oh shit. You guys are killing me, man. All right, you guys got to let me know. Are we going to include Mark Dutch in in the photos? Okay, we got a Mark Dutch one. I don't know if I'm going to put this in. I'm being honest with you guys. I don't know if I want this on my back. We got Mark Dutch here. I don't know. He's got... Put a 1 in the chat if we include Mark Dutch's otter in the merch. I don't know, man. I gotta wear this thing, man. I gotta wear this, remember. Don't use that. I made it as a placeholder. That's why we need to use it, Tony. Are those dancing bowling shoes? I don't know. God created the Dutch. We'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. Time will tell. Wow. Pardon me. I got a frog in my throat. I got a new sign for my office. Want to see my new sign? This is my new sign for my office. Can you guys see it? Whoa, we're lagging. Why are we lagging? We're lagging. Why are we lagging? Whoa. Why are we lagging? Everybody's on the internet in the house or something? Holy shit. I got lots of memory. All right. Restarting. Restarting the stream. I think it's not it's not lagging on my end. It's just is the voice lagging or is it just the camera? No, it's lagging. I got to end the stream. I'm going to restart the stream, everybody. Sorry about this. Yeah. I'm going to restart the stream so that we can get into the trading. Market's going to open, so market is opening. I'm going to restart.